my little friends. Let's meet farm animals today. Are you ready? Let's start. Cow. This is a cow. A cow says moo. A cow says moo. Horse. This is a horse. A horse says neigh. A horse says neigh. Sheep. This is a sheep. A sheep says baa. A sheep says baa. Pig. This is a pig. A pig says wink wink. A pig says wink wink. Chicken. This is a chicken. A chicken says cluck cluck cluck. A chicken says cluck cluck cluck. Rooster. This is a rooster. A rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. A rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Goose. This is a goose. A goose says honk honk honk. A goose says honk honk honk. Goat. This is a goat. A goat says may. A goat says may. Duck. This is a duck. A duck says quack quack quack. A duck says quack quack quack. Turkey. This is a turkey. A turkey says gobble gobble. A turkey says gobble gobble. Well, lovely friends, that's it for today. I hope you had a fantastic time meeting all these wonderful farm animals. Bye-bye!